Loom, app review. Build personal connection using this free website. At the end of this video, you will be able to do this for your presentation. This is an app review by Scalarly. Let's go. Did you know that according to Business Insider, communication can be divided into 3 divisions? 38% is for nonverbal, 55% is for body language, and just merely 7% is for the content itself. You should know this, because most of the presenters focus on the flashy transitions, the fonts, the text, the graphs and pie charts, and all that stuff. The 2 dominant factors are nonverbal and body language. That's why it is important to practice the delivery of the presentation rather than the content of the presentation. So step 1. Go to your browser and type in loom.com. Step 2. Sign up. On the top right-hand corner, click on Get Loom for free, and then you will be directed to a different page. You can sign up multiple ways, but we will use Google this time. Sign in your credentials. And you will be prompted to a different page again, and agree with the terms and conditions of Loom. Step 3. Preference. You will be asked for your preferences. Just choose what suits you. We will choose for work. Then, put your name. And then, you'll be directed onto this page. Just click on Install Extension. And then add to Chrome. And now we are ready to fly. You should be directed to a different page. Just allow Loom to access your microphone and camera. A pro tip, just click on Current tab on the right-hand side of the screen, so you can share the presentation slides, and then just select which tab you want to share. Because you might have some cheeky stuff going on there. Then take a mandatory deep breath, as per the website's instructions. Then, chin up, shoulders back, and put on your low-key smile. Then record your presentation. To save your presentation, it's simple. Just click on the stop icon. And then you will be prompted to this page. And you can share or copy the link to give access to your desired recipient. So there you have it, our Scalarly verdict. Loom is the top async video messaging platform. Designed for efficiency and ease, you can shoot, upload, and interact with videos to advance business whether you're at your office or on the go. It's never been simpler to record and share videos from the comfort of your own home. To shoot a Loom video, launch Chrome on your desktop, keep your clients informed, establish and sustain your company's culture, and deliver product feedback to your crew with ease. Loom is used by individuals to communicate both internally and externally. All in all, it's an efficient, simple, and affordable platform for recording videos to update your team. Let me know what to tackle next.